Rhino-Man as Ali Agha.
Starring Toothpick Man as Ali Agha.
Starring Tapams as Yusuf Agha.
We always thought we are alone, but we are not. There exists a planet within our reach, but an invisible one. It is Vertex. Vertex lies in a stealth mode, deceiving its identity. It's a friend or a foe, we don't know. Let's go on an adventure, shall we?
Hey, do you want a Skittle?
Yeah, I want a Skittle. I love Skittle.
Rhino-Man! Rhino-Man! Help us! There's an alien monster over here! Help me! What's the problem, my friends? Is there any monster or something? Help me! Help us! Help us, Rhino-Man! There's an alien monster! There's an alien monster! We are afraid! We are scared! Okay, I'll do something! Hey, monster! What's your problem? Why are you here to Earth?
My name is Tapams, serial number 1, and I'm here for this planet.
I won't let you have this planet.
Looks like I'll have to do this the hard way.
My super cool machine, which I can grow my size.
Oh, that Tapams is gone for good. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Oh.
Burn.
Oh. This is my special Rhino-Man.
You shrink, Tapams.
Why am I so small?
I'll crush you beneath my feet.